everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today we have day number 23 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year now for the last couple of years. If you are new to our channel, we have days number 1 through 22 already posted. Go ahead and check those out, and go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing our content. All right, let's go ahead and dive into day number 23. All right, first I want to go ahead and just appreciate this box, because how beautiful is this? Jenny's team really put a lot of time and energy and care into all of these little boxes and designing the bags and everything. All right, so we have 23, okay? This one is a little bit heavier than most. This is gonna be a breakable. I can already see the foam, the styrofoam. Okay, let's see here. Oh my gosh. And I know somebody was saying that they wanted this on Missouri Star's Facebook group, so I'm so glad that they got it. They wanted a cup to match their bowl and plate sets that they have. So here is this teal cup. It is absolutely stunning, the color in person, and it says love every stitch. I'm so glad it's not broken, because people have also been complaining about broken items. It's just a little bit of styrofoam in there, but so cute. It's like the perfect little cup. I don't know about you guys, but I like 16-ounce cups because I drink a ton of coffee every day. This definitely is more like an 8-ounce cup, maybe like 10-ounce cup. But yeah, this is so cute. I love this item. I will 100% use this. Oh man, I just have to make like more trips to the coffee maker, but I will definitely be using this. Let me know what you think down below. And then our question for today is, what is your favorite or lucky number? For me, it has always been 7. I mean, since the time I was a little kid, I was number 7 on my soccer team when I was really, really little, and the whole way until now. And the reason I like it is because my name starts with an L and a 7. Hopefully this is correct, or maybe this is correct. A 7 also makes an L if you flip it upside down. So I just love that, and it's always been my favorite. So let me know down below what you thought of our item, and let me know what your favorite number is, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 24. Oh my gosh, happy New Year's Eve tomorrow. That's amazing. I can't believe we've already gotten this far through the month. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye everybody.